recently we visited a berry patch farm up in Brighton, Colorado. It's a great family-friendly outing on the weekends. They have pick your own fruits seasonally. We generally go in September, go picking raspberries and strawberries. But they also have a great shop with seasonal fruits, so check them out. We'll put a link in the description below for their farm. You can sign up for their newsletter and they will tell you weekly what's in store. But check them out. They're a USDA organic farm and we love to go picking berries with the kids. They really enjoy it. Enjoy the video.
Hello, Tia. How does it feel to be part of the endless family adventure?
It's amazing! I'm having so much fun. Well, not yet.
So
Today we're going raspberry picking and strawberry.
okay, awesome.
Organic raspberry.
Raspberries hide.
Yo agarro uno. Gracias, muy amable.
They're under the leaves, right?
They're hiding.
We just need to give the pots to everybody and we're done.
We need to get the dark ones, and they usually hide under the leaves. So if they're soft, it's okay to take with us. Otherwise, if it's too hard, we just leave them. Raspberries!
Mommy's basket, my basket.
Okay.
She likes to thoroughly check every single plant.
Well, this comes from the fact that when we were little, my dad had 3 or 4 rows of raspberries, and whoever got there first, they got to eat them. So my sister and I, we would fight over it. So you have to be quick and thorough.
Charita, what are we doing right now?
Raspberry picking.
We're raspberry picking. Okay, where are they? Tell me.
There.
They're over there, hiding. Oh, I see them. Let's get them. Can you get them, Kiara? Awesome. Okay, here's the bucket. Put it right next to it.
video. Don't forget to subscribe. Perfect!